Do you guys want to view your friends' snaps on Snapchat without them knowing? So in today's short and simple tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can view your friends' snaps. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to make sure that you are not connected to your internet. So turn off the Wi-Fi or the mobile data and then open Snapchat. Once you have opened Snapchat, click on this chats option. Once you have entered the chats, the next thing you need to do is to enter airplane mode. So scroll down, turn on airplane mode. And once the airplane mode is turned on, click on the friend's username of whom you want to view the snap. And once you have viewed the snap, go back and click on your profiles icon. Go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and under this account action options, click on the first option, clear cache, and click on continue. And that's it. Now close Snapchat. And after that, you can exit the airplane mode and turn on your internet, and your friend will not know that you have seen their snaps. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.